Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I blow dry and style my hair with the Revlon one-step blow dryer and brush. I have had it for a couple months now and I really like it. I've kind of gotten the hang of it a little bit. It's definitely hard to get used to at first, but it makes the blow drying time go way down for me. My hair is naturally pretty curly, so it straightens it and blow dries it very quickly. I do finish it up. I'll show you what it looks like when I just use the blow dryer and the end of that, but this is at the very end. You'll see I use my curling iron just a little bit on the front parts here, just because I prefer it to be a little more curled, and I haven't quite figured out how to use the Revlon dryer to really get a good curl. You'll see I kind of do, but it's not enough for what I prefer. But overall, I love it. You do have to be careful with it here and there that I'll mention, but overall I would really recommend it. It's super cheap and I really just like the results. It just smooths out your hair so nicely, especially if you have textured hair. So if you want to see how I use it, just keep watching. Okay guys, the first step I do is I wash my hair with this Pantene shampoo. It's great, it smells like roses. I recommend highly. Then I use this not shampoo, this is conditioner. I love this stuff. I've used it for years, literally 10 years. So I towel dry my hair first for a few minutes, probably 5, and then I comb it all out. And then I'll start putting in a few of my products. So I use a leave-in conditioner. This one I got from a hairdresser. It's random, but it's pretty good. Put that in, and then I use the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. Love that stuff as well. It's a good oil if you're looking for a good one. Then I comb all of that in, and then I will put it back up in my towel for probably 5 more minutes, and then I let it out and I air dry it for 5 minutes, and that's what you see here is a little bit of air dried hair. So then I usually section it off into 3 different layers, and I start by combing through the hair with the dryer. I don't just straight up start putting it around the barrel. I comb through first to get some of it dried, like get it most of the way dry, and then that last little bit is when you'll really put the hair around the barrel and just go to town. You'll see I try to get some curl going, like a little bit of a wave, but it's kind of tricky. It takes getting the hang of for sure. But you'll see how well it smooths it out through here. Okay, and then here you'll see me do the back a little bit. I just put all the hair in the back and then go down the back a little bit to make sure it's all smooth. Again, if you have textured hair like me, you'll want to do this to make sure that at the roots is pretty straight and smooth and dry. Then I let down the next layer, and I usually just leave a little sliver at the top to dry the final step. Getting into that final layer, you'll see I try to make it go up. Like I try to dry it going upwards to get some good volume. This thing already gives you pretty good volume, but I just like to like triple check and try to go up. I've tried a couple different techniques and like brushing it down in front of your face, But this way, and doing it kind of still away from my face, but try to aim up, has been the best for me. It seems to work pretty well. And then I finish it up with some more Olaplex number 7 to really smooth it out. That's why I love that oil. You can use it wet or dry. And that's the finished look. This is it with just the Revlon One Step Styler and Blow Dryer. So you can see it does get a little flip. It gives a good blowout vibe. Me with my textured hair, I have to go in usually with a straightener and just smooth out a few pieces that got a little too curly for me, which I don't mind doing at all because it's way easier than just blow drying and then having to do it. And then here's, like I mentioned, I go in with a curler and I just curl a few pieces kind of in the front, on the top, and just give it a good wave. I think if you maybe did smaller pieces with the Revlon dryer, you could figure this out with the dryer, but I just prefer the curling. It's just easier for me to just do the curling iron, just to give it a little bit more curl. And that is the finished look, you guys. Thanks for watching.